everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make the viral TikTok tortilla wraps. I've been seeing these a lot around TikTok and decided to make them, so let's get started with the video. Crack 2 eggs in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Then continuously stir your eggs with a spatula. Once your eggs start cooking, add a tablespoon of mascarpone. Take your saucepan on and off the heat for a minute or so while cooking your eggs. Then add salt and pepper. Cooking your scrambled eggs like this is totally optional. This is just the way I cook my scrambled eggs ever since I saw the way Gordon Ramsay does it. Once your eggs have finished cooking, take them off the heat. Take out a large tortilla and then cut a line starting from the center of the tortilla all the way down to the end of it. Now you can add all your favorite ingredients. I added my scrambled eggs, then in the next corner I added some diced tomatoes, and in the corner after that I added some guacamole. And the last ingredient I added was some shredded cheese. Then taking the cut edge of your tortilla, fold all the corners together. It should form a giant triangle. Next, in a small pan over medium heat, add some butter. After the butter is melted, add your tortilla wrap. Cook your tortilla on both sides until each side is golden brown. Once your tortilla wrap is finished cooking, take it off the heat. Now just cut it in half and enjoy! And this is the finished result! It tasted really good. This hack is pretty useful, easy, and unique, so I'd recommend giving it a try. I decided to make a breakfast tortilla wrap, but you can make any tortilla wrap that you want. I saw someone make a Chick-fil-A tortilla wrap, a pizza one, and I believe someone else made a sushi wrap, but instead of a tortilla they used seaweed. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!